Hey, ready? Today we're learning one of the most useful patterns in Hindi, how to say things you do regularly, like I work every day, you read at night, she buys vegetables in the morning. This is the present habitual tense, but don't worry about the label. The real idea is simple. It's the pattern for things you usually do, often do, or generally do. And Hindi makes this pretty neat. A lot of the time you take the verb, turn it into a doing regularly shape, and then add a form of hona, usually whom, ho, or hey. So you'll hear patterns like karta hoon, karte ho, karti hai. Super common, super useful. Full-on daily life Hindi. Let's start with the big picture. If you want to say I work, a man would usually say main kaam karta hoon, and a woman would usually say main kaam karti hoon. Same meaning, I work, but the middle part changes with gender. Karta for masculine, karti for feminine. That's one of the main things to notice today. Quick memory trick. Think of karta as the boy version, karti as the girl version. Not perfect for every situation in all of Hindi forever, but for today, for these everyday sentences, it's a great shortcut. Masculine often sounds like ta, feminine often sounds like ti. So bolta, bolti, parta, parti, chalta, chalti, kharidta, kharidti. Now let's make it feel natural. How do you say I work every day in Hindi? मैं रोज काम करता हूँ. मैं रोज काम करता हूँ. If you're female, say मैं रोज काम करती हूँ. Nice. Roz means every day. You'll hear had been too. But roz is super common in speech. Notice something useful. Kaam karna is literally to do work, but in everyday Hindi it simply means to work. So kaam karta hoon is I work. Easy. Let's do bolna, to speak. How do you say I speak Hindi a little in Hindi? मैं थोड़ी हिंदी बोलता हूँ. मैं थोड़ी हिंदी बोलता हूँ. Or if you're female, मैं थोड़ी हिंदी बोलती हूँ. Tiny side note. Thodi here means a little. In casual speech, people also say thoda hindi bolta hu sometimes, and you'll hear variation in real life. At your level, just remember the whole phrase as a chunk. Thodi hindi bolta hu, or bolti hu. That will serve you well. Now here's the basic engine of this tense. Listen to the pattern. Bolta hu, I speak. Padhta hu, I read or study. Chalta hu, I walk. Kharidta hu, I buy. Kaam karta hu, I work. Can you hear that rhythm? Verb idea plus ta or ti, then a form of hona. It's almost like Hindi saying, I am a person who regularly does this. That's not the exact grammar explanation, but it helps you feel it. Let's bring in tum, because that's much more natural than super formal speech for many everyday situations. How do you say, you read every night in Hindi? तुम हर रात पढ़ते हो. तुम हर रात पढ़ते हो. If you're talking to one girl, you'll often hear and use तुम हर रात पढ़ती हो. Great, so now we've got another useful pair. With tum, masculine often gives you पढ़ते हो, and feminine gives you पढ़ती हो. You do not need a giant chart in your head right now. Just start noticing the music of it. मैं पढ़ता हूँ और पढ़ती हूँ. तुम पढ़ते हो और पढ़ती हो. वह पढ़ता है और पढ़ती है. That last one gives us a nice next step. How do you say she buys vegetables in the morning in Hindi? वह सुबह सब्जी खरीदती है. वह सुबह सब्जी खरीदती है. Nice. Subha means morning. Sabzi can mean vegetable or vegetables, and also cooked vegetable dishes depending on context. Hindi is flexible like that. Very efficient. One word, lots of work. Respect. Now the masculine version would be वह सुबह सब्जी खरीदता है. He buys vegetables in the morning. So again, खरीदती है for she, खरीदता है for he. Let's do चलना, to walk. How do you say we walk to the market in Hindi? हम बाजार तक चलते हैं. हम बाजार तक चलते हैं. If the group is all female, you may hear चलती है. But for now, चलते हैं is a very common useful form to recognize and use. Nice little phrase there. Tak means up to or to. So bazar tak is to the market. Let's build the pattern even more. I'll say the English, you think the Hindi shape. I speak, bolta hu or bolti hu. You speak, bolte ho or bolti ho. He speaks, bolta hai. She speaks, bolti hai. See? Same core idea, small ending changes. Here's a handy shortcut. If you know the infinitive, the dictionary form ending in na, like bolna, padhna, chalna, kharidna, you can often get the everyday present pattern by dropping na and using ta, ti, te, plus hu, ho, hai, hen. So bolna becomes bolta hu, bolti hai, bolte ho. Padhna becomes padhta hu, padhti hai, padhte ho. Chalna becomes chalta hu, chalti hai, chalte hai. And with काम करना, because it's a two-part verb, the change happens in करना. काम करता हूँ, काम करती है, काम करते हो. Now let's make this practical with mini life scenes. Imagine your friend asks, क्या करते हो? That means what do you do? Or more naturally, what do you do? What do you work on? What's your thing? You could answer, मैं घर से काम करता हूँ. I work from home. If you're female, करती हूँ. If someone asks, क्या पढ़ते हो? That can mean what do you study, or what do you read, depending on context. Hindi loves context. Very chill language in that way. वह तेज चलता है. वह तेज चलता है. And she walks fast is वह तेज चलती है. Tez means fast. Super useful word. How do you say I buy tea every morning? मैं रोज सुबह चाय खरीदता हूँ. मैं रोज सुबह चाय खरीदता हूँ. Or खरीदती हूँ if you're female. In real life, for tea, people might more often say I get tea or I drink tea, but this sentence is great practice for kharibna. Now, very important, this pattern is for regular actions, habits, routines, general truths. So if you say, मैं हिंदी पढ़ता हूँ, that usually means I study Hindi, generally or regularly, not necessarily right this second. If you want to say I am studying Hindi right now, that's a different pattern, and we're not going there today. One step at a time. Yar. Common mistake number 1, forgetting the hona part. Learners sometimes say, मैं काम करता, and stop. Hindi listeners may still understand you, but it sounds unfinished. For a full everyday sentence, say मैं काम करता हूँ, or करती हूँ. Common mistake number 2, mixing gender endings. If you're female, don't say मैं पढ़ता हूँ, unless you're deliberately copying a masculine form for some reason. Usually you want मैं पढ़ती हूँ. If you're male, usually say मैं पढ़ता हूँ. Common mistake number 3, using the wrong helper word at the end. With मैं, use ho. With तुम, usually ho. With वह, usually है. So, मैं बोलता हूँ, तुम बोलते हो, वह बोलता है. This trio is worth memorizing like a song. How do you say, you speak very fast in Hindi? तुम बहुत तेज बोलते हो. तुम बहुत तेज बोलते हो. For a girl, तुम बहुत तेज बोलती हो. Nice. How do you say she reads in the morning in Hindi? वह सुबह पढ़ती है. वह सुबह पढ़ती है. Short, clean, useful. Let's do a tiny memory game. I'll give you the verb, you imagine the masculine and feminine everyday forms. बोलना, बोलता, बोलती. पढ़ना, पढ़ता, पढ़ती. चलना, चलता, चलती. खरीदना, खरीदता, खरीदती. करना, करता, करती. Beautiful. That's the heart of today's lesson. Now let me give you a short story in Hindi. Just listen first. राहुल रोज सुबह जल्दी उठता है. वह थोड़ा हिंदी पढ़ता है. फिर वह बाजार तक चलता है. वहां वह चाय और सब्जी खरीदता है. घर आकर वह काम करता है. रात को वह दोस्तों से हिंदी में थोड़ा बोलता है. Now again, one line at a time. राहुल रोज सुबह जल्दी उठता है. Rahul wakes up early every morning. वह थोड़ा हिंदी पढ़ता है. He studies a little Hindi. फिर वह बाजार तक चलता है. Then he walks to the market. वहाँ वह चाय और सब्जी खरीदता है. There he buys tea and vegetables. घर आकर वह काम करता है. After coming home, he works. रात को वह दोस्तों से हिंदी में थोड़ा बोलता है. At night, he speaks a little in Hindi with friends. Nice. That story used the same pattern again and again. उठता है, पढ़ता है, चलता है, खरीदता है, करता है, बोलता है. Repetition is your friend here, not your enemy. Let's flip a few of those. If Rahul वह रिया, you'd get उठती है, पढ़ती है, चलती है, खरीदती है, करती है, बोलती है. Same movie, different endings. How do you say, I read Hindi every day in Hindi? मैं रोज हिंदी पढ़ता हूँ. मैं रोज हिंदी पढ़ता हूँ और पढ़ती हूँ. How do you say he works at home in Hindi? वह घर पर काम करता है. वह घर पर काम करता है. घर पर means at home. Very handy phrase. Before we wrap up, here's the practical cheat sheet. If you want to talk about a habit, routine, or something you generally do, use this kind of pattern. Verb base plus ta, ti, te, then hun, ho, hai, hen. For today's super common examples. मैं काम करता हूँ और करती हूँ. तुम पढ़ते हो और पढ़ती हो. वह बोलता है और बोलती है. हम चलते हैं. वह सब्जी खरीदती है. And the easiest memory trick of all, if the verb ends in na in the dictionary form, like bolna, just think drop the na and build your everyday habit form from there. Bolta, bolti, padta, padti, chalta, chalti, kharidta, kharidti. One last quick round. Say them with me in your head or out loud. I work every day. मैं रोज काम करता हूँ, करती हूँ. I speak Hindi a little. मैं थोड़ी हिंदी बोलता हूँ, बोलती हूँ. You read every night. तुम हर रात पढ़ते हो, पढ़ती हो. She buys vegetables in the morning. वह सुबह सब्जी खरीदती है. We walk to the market. हम बाजार तक चलते हैं. That's a lot of real Hindi already. Seriously. This is the kind of pattern that shows up everywhere, every day. So if some of it still feels a bit wobbly, no stress. Totally normal. Just keep listening for the rhythm. करता हूँ, करती हो, करते हो, करती है. You're building real speaking power now, one super useful pattern at a time. Keep going, keep repeating, and next time you hear Hindi around you, see if you can catch one of these forms. Chances are, you totally will.